From disassembly and checking your machine to lubrication and reassembly, in this video we'll run through the necessary steps to keep your Snowshock in tip-top shape. It's essential to carry out this service at least annually. For this procedure, you will need a medium crosshead screwdriver and a pair of pliers. In the UK, you can purchase a full seal kit, which is the easiest way to make sure you have the parts needed to carry out a full service. Firstly, make sure all the control panel switches are turned off and your machine is unplugged from the socket. Remove the top lid and put it to one side. Remove the tap assembly and then remove the tap sealing plug. Next, remove the tank from the machine by applying force to the bottom. Regular cleaning and lubrication will make this process much easier. You're now able to remove the white spiral by grasping the front and pulling forwards. Also, remove the silicone watertight shaft seal. It may still be attached to the spiral. It's good practice to replace this. Remove the large tank gasket from the tank. Now we can check to see that the freeze function is working. Switch to position 1 and wait for the frost to form on the silver cylinder evaporator. If there are any problems with rotation or freeze functions, refer to our other videos or contact us for more information. We suggest cleaning your machine with bactericidal detergent. Particular attention should be paid to areas where residue has gathered, such as the corners of the tank or the spiral. Each of these parts should be washed thoroughly, removing any dirt, dust or syrup. While you're drying the parts, it's a good idea to examine each part by checking for damage, such as cracks in the plastic or splits in the rubber. The silver evaporator cylinder condensation tray should also be cleaned with a cloth and bactericidal detergent. Clean the condenser grill of dust. This can be vacuumed or cleaned with a firm brush. Air filters to go over the grill are available free from Snowshock. Position the tank gasket as shown. Lubricate around the shaft and white shaft support and fit the watertight shaft seal over the shaft. Carefully line up the spiral with the metal shaft and slide the spiral back into place. Lubricate the interior perimeter of the tank. Check to see that the tank is back in place by making sure that the feet are correctly repositioned on the tray it sits on. Once the tank is in place, we can refit the tap assembly. Lubricate the double lip piston all around with around 2 centimeters of lubricant. Then place the spring on top and align the plastic spigot so that the flat side is facing outwards. Insert the complete tap assembly into the tap hole on the tank from the bottom. Then, push the double lip piston until the white plastic spigot is far enough up inside. Place the handle into position and insert the pin to hold it in place. Finally, simply place the filter back into the machine, screw the panel back into place and you're good to go. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should have your machine up and running in no time. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.